Crush all those negative beliefs towards yourself, because if you do not start, you won't go anywhere. You might not be able to achieve your goals right now, but you'll get there eventually. This was very reassuring when... Hello lovely human, welcome back. For today's video, I will be sharing with you all of the life lessons I learned when I was doing and learning yoga. So I have been doing yoga for years now, but nung 2020 lang talaga ako nag-start na super karirin yung yoga. Kasi before, free classes lang sa gym yung ginagawa ko. So, I think I started 2016, 2017 doing yoga. Pero intermittent talaga. Parang I'll do it this month, and then yung sunod ko next month na. Only nung 2020 ako naging consistent with doing yoga. And my yoga teacher right now is Miss Odette Mills. I'll put her Instagram here. And she's the sweetest. Sobrang patient niya sa akin. And sa kanya lang talaga ako nagtagal. Kasi, as mentioned sa 50 Facts About Me video, sobrang inflexible ko talaga. And I finally invested on a one-on-one yoga session with her. As in, sobrang patient niya. Ang dami na naming progress. And it's actually an entire story. I will also be creating a video regarding my yoga journey. Pero it's in another story for another day. Pero right now, I just wanna share with you yung mga life lessons na natututunan ko habang ginagawa ko yung yoga. So, Miss O has been very, very patient with me kahit I'm so inflexible, pero she's very patient and reassuring and making me feel like everything's okay. Her voice is so calming na parang galing sa meditation app. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you these lessons. Lesson number 1 is it's okay to fall. We all fall. So in life and in yoga, there will be a lot of times that you will go out of balance, na matutumba ka or magsha-shake ka, but that's definitely okay. In life, whether we are creating a new skill, whether we are in a different environment, or may bago kang work, or may bago kang skill na natututunan. So, shaking and falling is part of the process, and we have to embrace that kasi it's all about getting back up and embracing and having patience with your journey. Lesson number 2 that I learned from yoga is to breathe in and breathe out. So in life, with all the clutter that we currently have, social media, work, stress, personal matters, emotions, or mental health, maraming gumugulo sa atin sa araw-araw. So there will be times na mahihirapan ka talaga within your day, but it's all about pausing and staying in the present. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. So, yeah. When life gets difficult, pag nahirapan na tayo, take a pause, rest, take a deep breath in, and deep breath out. Lesson number 3 is to honor and respect your body's limitations. So, just about in life and in yoga, wherever, kung nasa ang path man tayo ngayon, be gentle with yourself and honor your body and your mind and your soul sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. Always be in a state of gratitude. Be grateful for what you currently have and what you currently don't have yet. You might not be able to achieve your goals right now, but you'll get there eventually. Always practice loving kindness towards yourself. And assess your relationship with yourself too. Kung paano mo ba kinakausap yung sarili mo, ganito mo rin kakausapin yung pinaka-favorite mong tao sa mundo. Could be your mom or your other half or your best friend. Kung hindi ganon, if you are being mean to yourself, snap out of it because you don't deserve that. If your favorite person does not deserve to hear that, you do not deserve it too. Lesson number 4 is that there's no such thing as a perfect practice. Lagi tong sinasabi ng yoga teacher ko na, yun nga, there's no such thing as a perfect practice na andito lang siya. My yoga teacher is just there to guide me, but this is my practice. So, if I translate that in life, we may all do the same things, pero iba-iba pa rin tayo ng journey. Iba-iba tayo ng mga pinagdaanan. Iba-iba tayo ng mga past. So, do not ever compare yourself to the journey of others kasi dito magsa-start na mafu-frustrate ka sa sarili mo na kapag kina-compare mo yung sarili mo sa mga tao on social media. Kasi dalawang bagay yan eh. Kapag kina-compare mo yung sarili mo, it's either you get inspired or you get frustrated na bakit wala pa ako dun sa level na yon. So, it's best that you compare yourself to yourself. Do not look so much on the progress of other people, but look at your own progress. And again, perfectionism. There's no such thing as perfect. So, as a self-confessed and recovering perfectionist, you should let go of that. I know the feeling because that was me way back. So, I know what you feel na hindi ko tapat to pwede i-launch kasi sobrang kulang pa, or hindi pa ako pwede mag-vlog dahil hindi pa maganda yung camera ko, or hindi pa ako pwede mag-vlog kasi hindi ako magaling mag-English. Crush all those negative beliefs towards yourself because if you do not start, you won't go anywhere. And always remember that nobody is great at everything. So, it's okay. Okay lang yan. It's okay to start and fail and not be good at it sa umpisa. So, it's okay. And in line with not being good at everything, the fifth lesson I learned is that we are all beginners in life. This was very reassuring when my yoga teacher told me about this, na kahit gaano ka pa ka-expert, we are all beginners in life to the point na meron pa rin tayong mga bagay na hindi alam sa buhay. I used to have such a high ego na, alam ko na yan, hindi ko na kailangang malaman yan. But I started growing as a leader. I started growing as an entrepreneur. I started growing as a person when I accepted that I cannot know everything. I can't be an expert at everything. So, when I started telling myself that we are all beginners, that's when I started flourishing. That's when I started being patient with a lot of people. That was when I started being generous to people as well. Kasi, again, at some point in our lives, we were beginners. We are all beginners, no matter where we are right now. And last but never the least, and actually the most important lesson I learned is that always be grateful to yourself. Sometimes or oftentimes, lagi nating inaawa yung sarili natin. Lagi nating sinasabi na, you could have said this the right way, or masasalba mo sana yung relationship kung naging ganito ka, or magiging top ka sana ng class kung ganito ka, or magiging mayaman ka sana kung hindi mo ginawa ito. But all of our experiences in our lives gives us lessons to move forward. Lahat ng mga failures natin, lahat ng mga hiccups natin in life gives us the wisdom to move forward. So, let's be grateful for all our choices. Let's be grateful for all of the things that happened to us, whether it's good or bad. Kasi madadala mo yan in the future. Madadala mo yan sa mga future decisions mo. Always be in a place of gratitude towards yourself because you are with yourself 24/7. And the only person that most deserves your love is yourself. So, how are you talking to yourself right now? What's your relationship with yourself right now? That's actually one of the best relationships that you need to develop, I must say. Kasi ako dati, I sometimes don't give myself the credit I deserve. Na tipong ang dami-dami ko nang naa-achieve pero ang tinitingnan ko pa rin yung mga hindi ko naa-achieve. So it's an unhealthy habit that I started crushing, that I stopped doing. Kasi yun nga, hindi naman siya essential, hindi siya helpful para sa development ko as a person. So, yeah. This was a very chill video. It was a very short video, and thanks again so much for listening to me. I hope you have a great day ahead. If you have more suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to read them. And thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.